Diane in Denmark here, woohoo! We are coming up for the weekend. Just a couple of tips for you. At the end of the working week, I'd like to make a note of any kind of unfinished business, and I write it down and then I put it away until next week. I'm trying not to think about it over the weekend. And if you're planning to have a kind of a productive weekend, maybe you want to do some projects in the garden, painting stuff in the house, set yourself up for success. Get whatever gear you need for that. Get that ready today. Look at your outfit. Maybe it's a painting outfit. Think about what you're going to eat. Maybe you need to put something in the crock pot or the instant pot tomorrow. Maybe you're going to order some takeaway. But just setting yourself up for whatever we want to do, whether we want to have a nice relaxing weekend or a productive weekend. And in other news, it is Friday, which in Flylady land is take a few minutes to look in your car, just do a quick tidy up there. We don't use our cars much here in Denmark, but take a couple of minutes. Maybe you've got some stuff that needs to go back into the house. If you eat in your car, make sure to get any rubbish out of there. Also, this is the day where we look through our bags. We've got a handbag, I've got my swimming bag, maybe you've got a sports bag. Kids' backpacks, look in the kids' stroller or the pram. You know, there's all kind of strange stuff that ends up in there. And all we're doing is we're just taking a couple of minutes to tidy things up, so that the next time that we need to use these things, we can find what we need. That's all it is. We're just kind of keeping on top of things. And the last part of Flylady Friday is date night. Now, as I'm sure many of you know, hubby and I, we like to stay home, we get cozy together. I'll be doing the usual. I put together a little snack basket for us to enjoy. I've got lots of videos about that. Anyway, I'm off to finish off my Friday. All I've got left to say is live long and prosper. May the beautiful Danish sunshine hygge be with you. Have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, bye for now.